Sunday, March 31st. Happy Easter. And I already finished stripping off the leaves. So now I'm just gonna prune it. So basically I want to be able to walk underneath this tree. So I'm gonna remove this branch here. This way it makes it easier to do maintenance work and even put a ladder right below it. This one I have some grafting going on, so I'm not gonna cut it off for now. So I think it looks pretty good overall. So I'm gonna also remove this branch. It's too close to the fence. I want to be able to walk easily around this area. So now let's address the root issues. So here we got some tangle up root system. See the root system there? So it's gonna put pressure on each other. So let's see. Here's another one here. So see. So this is, I think, something that we need to do every year, you know, with the root system. It's part of the maintenance of the tree. Okay, so I'm gonna push it this way because it's gonna basically put pressure on this root system here long term. So I'll just remove it for now. This one too. Just like how the branches, you know, you want to remove any crisscrossing branches on the top. Same thing with the root system. It's basically the same. There's gonna be some crisscrossing at the base, at the in the root system, in the ground. So I want to do the same thing. So that way it doesn't, you know, cause issue in the long run. So let's see. Now, this is really weird because which one should I remove? Well, first of all, these two like this on top of this one is not good. So I'm gonna see if I can loosen up this root here. If not, I'm gonna have to cut it. Oh, looks like I could pull it up easily. Okay, there you go. That's one of it. Let's see the other one. Okay, not bad. So I can feel the tension already. You see, it's starting to put pressure on the roots. The root beneath it. So let's see this one. That one below it, I might have to cut it off because it seems like it's somehow embedded into it. So I might have to just cut off the bottom one. It's too hard. So this is very interesting because you see this guy here, I thought it was growing in towards that side, but it's actually the roots coming up from that end, and then you see it actually came up right here. So this actually belongs to this guy. So this part here, you see that? That's grew up from the ground. It's pretty interesting. So let me see if I can flip it back towards the other side. Okay, so I managed to pull it out from underneath it and see if I can flip it back. Oops, I guess wow. See that? That's interesting. Anyway, tension is gone right here. Might have to probably cut it off too. It's really interesting. Might have to just cut it off instead of this. So he was going in the wrong direction. All right, I think we're done. Not only do you need to prune the tree on the top, you also need to prune the tree, the root system at the bottom. Look out for any girdling roots. So let's jump over to the other side of the yard and check out some of the fruits. So here we're taking a look at this is a very small tree. This tree is about 6 foot tall. And this is the first time that I gotten a few large size fruits. So it started from seed, maybe, I don't know, 10 years old. Look at how big this fruit is. I don't think it's ready yet. So it's from seed. There's a couple of fruits in here. So it's about 6 foot tall. It's in a 7-gallon pot. I cut the bottom out. Cut the bottom of the pot out because it's just too lazy with digging. So no dig method. It's the easiest. Minimal work. And so we're gonna check out some fruits here. So I've got a few fruits left. This one is really big. You see my hand? It's huge. It's the biggest one I have so far. Oh, there's some more in here. And these two are not ready yet. So there's a few more fruits on this tree. This one not ready yet.